Hey guys, thanks for coming back to the channel. Just another quick video. I just wanted to share a little tip of something I recently found out. And I'm sure some of you older guys have already figured this out or already knew this. I want to talk about wheel placement. I've had to do a lot of work and maintenance and cleaning. Some parts have worn out, had to replace some stuff, so I've popped these wheels off a few times. And when I put them back on, I just figured it made sense that, say this side was at 12 o'clock high, the other side would be at 6 o'clock, meaning this little teardrop thing that the driver arm attaches to, this one peaks up this way, the point is up here, and the other side I figured it was pointing down to 6 o'clock. That's not the case. Apparently, these wheels need to be quartered, and I actually found this out on an HO site. Apparently it makes a difference. It keeps all of the running gear from binding up. I didn't notice it on this locomotive, but since it was pointed out to me, I thought, why not fix it up? So I've already gone ahead and done that. And what the quartering means is, if this side is pointing up at 12 o'clock, the other side should be at 9 o'clock. So apparently by setting the wheels up that way, that prevents a lot of binding with this running gear, and your locomotive will run a lot smoother. What I noticed on this particular one, and this is another thing to mention, this 2055, or the 2055 being a magnet traction, on each side here, there is a brass washer that is supposed to be right in here. So it separates the wheel from the magnetic bushing thing in there that actually makes this the magnet traction. This locomotive was missing them. And I couldn't figure out for the life of me why this thing had such a hard time starting. And even when I moved it by hand, I realized there was a little gripping going on, and I realized it was the magnets sticking to these wheels. So I found in my parts bin that I did have the little brass washers this thing was missing, and I replaced them all, and it runs a heck of a lot better now. That little bit of separation between the magnet and the wheel made all the difference in the world. So just a couple little quick tips with the wheels. Don't forget to quarter them. Set your one side up at 12 o'clock, have the other side at 9 o'clock, and none of this stuff is going to bind up. And for any of the magnet traction trains that you have, if you're having trouble with the wheels feeling a bit sticky, like magnetic sticky, you might want to take them off and see if those washers are in there, and if they're not, throw them back on and you're not going to have any more problems. So thanks again for stopping in on this quick little video. Appreciate you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.